Well, some business news now. With the advent of COVID-19 pandemic and its growing impact on the financial sector, the Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation is putting all hands on deck to fast-track economic recovery agenda in post-COVID-19 era. These were part of deliberations at the 2021 NDIC retreat with members of the House of Representatives Committee on Insurance and Actuarial Matters in Lagos. Adeshewa Odushoga has details.
Provided as one of the mandates of the Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation is the need to ensure monetary stability, protect depositors, as well as promote competition and innovation in the banking system. One of such and most recent innovation in the banking system is one ushered in by the COVID-19 pandemic in the guise of technological transition in the financial sector, forcing the players to deal with the accompanying hassles. The need for the intervention of public policies to protect and strengthen the deposit insurance framework, providing support for insured institutions, have necessitated this gathering, which involves the members of the NDIC, honorable members of the House Committee on Insurance and Actuarial Matters of the Federal Representatives, and other relevant stakeholders.
It is our strong belief that the deposit insurance system administered by the NDIC, which remains an important component of the financial safety net arrangement, has an important role to play in the ongoing economic recovery agenda of the federal government amid the lingering effect of the COVID-19 pandemic. This snowballs from the fact that, among others, deposit insurance system safeguard depositors' funds in case of bank failure, thereby promoting public confidence and contributing to financial system stability.
When they talk about fast tracking, there are certain factors that couldn't roll on the way it ought to go. So they will review it. We will help them from the legislative arm to making sure that certain resolutions will guide them and help them to come up, bring it up to speed.
The advent of the financial technologies, otherwise known as fintechs, have demanded the adoption of innovations to deliver financial products and services. But this is not without its own risks, despite the new opportunities in the banking system. This formed part of their proposed deliberations, especially with the acceleration during the COVID-19 times.
With the same speed it's able to do all of that, it also provides a need for the entire financial services sector to take proactive steps to be way ahead of whether it's hackers, whether it is people that have ulterior motives, abusing fintech for their own advantage.
Part of the deliberation is to also consider the amendments of the Nigeria Deposit Insurance Act with the aim of boosting the confidence of depositors both in the banking sector and in the insurance sector. Adeshewa Odushoga, TVC News, Lagos.